Hello, happy Thursday. One more day to the weekend. So I got a packaging. It's actually my Christmas gift for my husband. I hope I like it in person. It was cute online. One of my Christmas gifts anyway. If not, I don't know. Okay. So it's by RubyStella. You know, RubyStella is a jewelry company. Here's my receipt. It's a 14 karat rose gold diamond cut bead hand chain in a large. Let's see how this looks. I'm so hoping I like this because it look cute on the website. So this is how they box their stuff very nicely. I almost don't want to take off the ribbon, but I have to. Let's see. Then come on. This comes in this little holder. And it is dainty. It looked bigger on the website. It's pretty. This is it. It's a hand chain. I'm hoping this don't look like it's gonna fit around my wrist. Wait. Oh, it goes up. Does it go up? No. Okay. So this is it. Let me put it on and see how this is gonna work out. Okay, after stumbling trying to get this thing on, happy to say, the bracelet do fit. They put more little rings on it. See the little rings right here? So you can adjust it. So as you can see, I can adjust it a lot more so it won't be so loose, but this is how it looks. I do like it. They are dainty pieces. This was the look I was going for. Hopefully my next one will be a diamond, but I'm happy with it. This one was $600, but I think I had a 15% off, so it was like 5 something or whatever. These hand chains are not cheap, and of course when you get diamonds they're more expensive. The one that you saw on my Instagram page, that was a shaker diamond hand chain, and that was like almost $2,500. So of course your boy wasn't trying to spend $2,500, but I'm happy with this one. Like I said, it's, got birthdays coming, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, so at some point I'll get one that I want. So I'm going to show you with my other jewelry pieces on how it looks. See, I got my Catbird New York midi rings. I do have another midi ring coming, but it won't be until after the New Year because it's an engraved one. So, and then, although I find myself not wearing this ring a whole lot, it's one of those you want to flex tight pieces, not an everyday piece. But I want to put this ring on. But this is my everyday ring. I wear this every day. I take it off too at night. And this is 18 karat white gold. This hand chain is rose gold. This is the only one that they had left. They didn't have the yellow gold. You know, it's Christmas time and they sold out. And actually, I called the first time and they said they were sold out. And I was like, dang, because I really found one that was in my price range that the look that I was going for and that I really wanted. And it was some other ones that I had seen too. But this had more of close of a look that I was really going for. And she said they didn't have any more. So something just said call back. I always do that. I can't accept no for an answer or, you know, we sold out. I said, because this thing is not showing sold out on the site. None of them. They have white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. And so I called back, and the young lady that I spoke to, she said, I said, I wanted to know, will I get this, you know, before Christmas? I said, before I put this in my cart and check out. And she said, is it still showing on the site? Is being available? I said, yes. She said, because we're sold out. She said, but let me look and see if I have any of the other ones. And so she went and looked. She said, we have one rose gold left. And I said, I'll take it because as small as it is, and it all too depends on how much of the other metal to give it its pink hue is in it, you know. So, I mean, you can't really even tell it's rose gold. And so she just asked me what size I needed. I told her a large. So this is a large because I do have a rather large wrist. My wrist is 6.75, but I normally would do a 7. I normally would do like an 8-inch bracelet. Like this is 8.5 because I like it to have some movement and not, you know, stop. This one just fit. This is like a 6.75. So that's why I really can't move it much of anywhere else on my wrist because my wrist fits it just right. But all my other bracelets are at least 7.5 to 8.5 inches. Just so, especially the charm bracelets, because you got to factor in the charms that's going to go on there. That's going to be taking up more space. When it comes to Pandora, they always tell you to go up a little bit because you're putting charms on the bracelet. But yeah, this is it. I do like it. I'm very satisfied. Very satisfied. I won't sleep in it because it is a dainty piece and I just don't want to mess it up, you know, or get it snagged or anything like that. Yeah. So this is it. Let me give y'all up close my ashy hands. I just washed my hands. And I think these are like little shells or something. I'm not sure what they are. I guess diamond cut means it has a little sparkle to it or whatever because no diamonds in it. But you do see a little sparkle to it. Only thing is it kind of a pain putting on when I want to just run out the door. When you gotta and then also it has this little I don't know what that is. It has this little tag on it. This little thing right here. I guess it's RubyStella, and then it has a little Looks like a little charm on it. RubyStella, it is. It's RS for RubyStella. So that's very nice. The detail that they put in it, and then this little plate right here. Yeah, I like that. So as you can see, it has a few adjustable hoops on here. I'm gonna probably try to put it like right on this one, right here. But I'm very happy. I'm very happy with it. And then on to the next. On to the next. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to leave me a genuine comment so it won't get spammed. And watch my videos all the way through. I'm trying to hit them 4,000 watch hours. And I'm 95% there. So thank y'all for your support. Peace. Until next time.